If brain fog has you reaching for another cup of coffee, try this nourishing alternative instead. This warm brain elixir combines cacao, maca, and lion's mane for steady energy, calm focus, and a comforting start to your day. To make a cup, you'll need 1 cup of almond or cashew milk, 1 teaspoon cacao powder, 1/2 teaspoon of maca powder, 1/2 teaspoon of lion's mane powder, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste, a pinch of sea salt, and your favorite natural sweetener. Cacao provides antioxidants and gives a rich chocolate flavor. Maca is an adaptogenic root that boosts energy, stamina, and resilience during stress. Lion's mane is a mushroom commonly used to boost memory, focus, and long-term cognitive wellness. Pour your almond milk into a small saucepan and place over medium-low heat. Warm the milk until it's steaming, but do not let it boil. While the milk is still warm, whisk in the cacao powder, maca powder, lion's mane, vanilla, salt, sweetener, and a tinge of cayenne pepper. Continue whisking until your drink looks smooth and creamy. If you prefer a stronger lion's mane option, you can replace the powder with a tincture and add it after removing the drink from the heat, following the product's directions. At this point, it's normal for your drink to look like it has some clumps in it from all the powders. Continue mixing your drink until it looks smooth. Then pour it into your favorite mug and enjoy while still warm. This remedy is best used in the morning or early afternoon as an alternative to energy drinks or an extra cup of coffee. Start with 1 cup a day and notice how your body responds. You can also chill it and serve it over ice, blend it into a smoothie, or swap the lion's mane for reishi mushrooms when you want a more calming evening drink. This elixir is a great option for adults who are looking for a gentle, nourishing way to boost their energy and focus. You can store any leftovers in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days. Shake or whisk before reheating because the powders may settle. Alternatively, you can double the ingredients to make a larger batch at a time and store the powder in your pantry until you're ready to use it. Remember that even the best herbal remedies work best alongside healthy habits. Prioritize quality sleep, eat healthy food, stay hydrated, manage stress, and move your body regularly. These habits create the foundation for a healthy brain. Consistency is key, so enjoy 1 cup daily for a few weeks and pay attention to subtle improvements in your energy, focus, and overall mental clarity.